We move on to sum number 3. The previous video just got stopped due to some technical reason. So we have over here sum number 3. It is 11979. It's 11979. So when you put this over here, it will be 11979 divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 29 will be again 9. 29, 27, yeah, so 9s are, and then again 27, so 9 and then 3s are, okay, so it will be 3 again, so it will be 1 and then 3, 3, 1. This is 11s are, we know the 11 ones are 11, and then 23 will be 2 and then 1, so 11, 11, 11, 1. So you can see that this is in pair of the set of 3, but this is not in pair of set of 3. Therefore number to be multiplied is equals to 3. Got it? So that was sum number 3. We move on to sum number 4. The sum number 4 is of the type the smallest number which needs to be divided to obtain a perfect cube. So that is fourth one, which is you need to divide, the part to be divided. It's 1536. The first number is 1536. It's 1536. You first take it by 2, that will give me 7 and then 6 and then 8. Again 2 will be 3, 8, 4. Again 2 will be 1, 9, 2. Again 2 will give me 9 and 6. Again 2 will give me 4 and 8. Again 2 will give me 24. 2 will give me 12. 2 will give me 6, 2 will give me 3 and 3 will give me 1. So a set of 3 years, set of 3 years, set of 3 years, and this is the only one which is remaining. Therefore, number to be divided is equals to 3. If you divide this number by 3, it will be a perfect cube. That was sum number 1. We can just check up the answers over here. Up till now, all the numbers we have got it as 3. So yeah, it's 3, 3, 3, right? I see the next number, which is 28672. Okay, the third one is 28672. Let's find it out. 28672. 2s will be 1, 4, 3, 3, 6. 2s are 7, 1, 6, 8. 2s are 3, 5, 8, 4. 2s are 1, 7, 9, 2. 2s are will be 8 and then 9 and 6. 2s are 4, then 4 and 8. Again 2 will be 2, 2, 4. Again 2 will be 1, 1, 2. Again 2 will give me 5 and 6, 56. 2s will be 28. 2s will be 14. Again 2s will be 7, 7, 1. Yeah, good. So we get this as cube numbers. Again a cube set, this is a cube set. Remaining is 7. So the number to be divided is equals to 7. Easy? Yeah, in fact easier than the squares and square roots, because squares and square root we had got the prime numbers which were making it very difficult certain times. So here at least we know that it is 2s and 3s and 5s and 7s, so easier ones. Okay, now we have got over here that a question which is Rahul makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 3 into 3:5. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? Okay. Let's understand the sum first and then we'll try it. He has got a small box of 3 by 3 by 5. So it's this way that it is a box like this of 3 by 3 by 5 as the depth, and he wants to make a cube. To make a cube, what is required is that he will require boxes in such a way that it should be multiple of 5 also and multiples of 3 also, right? So accordingly you will find that you can make a cube only if the sides are 15 15 each, because the LCM of the 5 and 3 is 15. So only if it is 15 by 15 by 15 you can get this thing done over here. So that's why you'll have to say it this way, that fifth question, volume of each plasticine is, not volume, we can do the dimensions. So dimensions of each are 3 into 3 into 5. So the smallest cube formed will be of side of LCM of 3 and 5 is equals to 15. Got it? So if it is having it so, then he will require, to make this into 15, he will require 5 such over here. So lengthwise is equals to 15 upon 3 is equals to 5 cubes, 5 pieces. Breadthwise is equals to 15 upon 3 is equals to 3 pieces. And height wise is equals to 15 upon 5 is equals to 3 pieces, sorry, 5 pieces, 5 pieces and 3 pieces. Therefore, total number of pieces required is equals to 5 into 5 into 3 is 75 such pieces. Okay, and just check it out. Question number 5 about Rahul. So that is, sorry, question number 4. This was question number 5. Yeah, question number 5, 75. Understood? So here, what we are trying to do is that we are just saying that cube kab banega when this 3 is in a form of 15. So it will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that 5 times, and this 3 वैसे करके 3 into 3 into 3 5 times, 3 into 3 5 times, and 5 into 5 into 3 5. So वैसे करके we are getting this 15. So it is 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, so that's 75 pieces. Question number 6. Find the volume of a cubical box whose surface area is 486. So we have over here that surface area of cube is equals to 486 centimeter square. Okay, it's a cubical box. We know the surface area of a cube is given as 6 into side square. 6a square is equals to 486. It's the formula of the surface area of the cube. Now, probably they may cancel this sum because they may not know that whether you know the formulas for cubes and cuboids all or not. If they cancel it, good. If they don't, you know it now. So a square is equals to 486 upon 6. So that gives me as 7 8s and then 1s. So it is a square is equals to 81. So a is equals to 9 centimeters. Therefore, volume का formula is a cube, side cube is equals to 9 into 9 into 9 is equals to 981 is 729 centimeter cube. So that's the answer for question number 6. Right? We move on further to question number 7. Which of the following are the cubes of even numbers or odd natural numbers? Okay, you just need to find out that whether it is odd or even. A very easy one. So you can just write over here. The first one over here is 125. Second one, I'll just write out the numbers so you can just directly write it. 125, 512. Third is 1000. Fourth will be 2197. Fifth will be 4096. Sixth is 6859. You need to find out whether which of the cubes will be odd or even. So this is odd, so it will be odd. This will be even, so this is even. This is even. This is odd. This is even. This is even. Sorry, odd. So you can see, we already learned in the previous video starting May that the cubes of odd numbers will be odd and even numbers will be even. So if this ending numbers over here are odd or even, we just need to find that. If this is an odd number, so it will be odd number. This is an even number, so it's even number. Even, odd, even, odd. Okay. Now, write the first one digit of the cubes in the following numbers. So I told you in this case also, what was the thing in the last video, that except for 2 and 8, they are interchanging each other. Otherwise, they are having the numbers exactly the same. 2 and 8 are interchanging, and 3 and 7 are interchanging. So we have over here, if it is question number 7 and question number 8 now. First one is 231. The last digit will be 1. Okay, last number will be 1. So 1 ends with 1, so it will be 1. The second one is 358. We know that the numbers which are ending with 8 ends with 2, so this will be 2. Third one, it is 419. So 9 ends with 9 only. It is 725. 5 ends with 5 only. Fifth, 854. 4 ones ends with 4 only. If you are not going to remember it, very easy. 4 4s are 16, 16 4 64. 64. The cube root of 4 is 64. 4 is retained. So that is why 4 ka 4 here. Then comes sixth question is 987. Now when it is 7, it ends with 3. 3 and 7 are interchanging with each other, and 2 and 8 are interchanging with each other. Next is 7th number, 752. Again it will be 8 because 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 8 over here. And 8th question is 893. So 3 is divided by 7. So this way you have got the answers for the 1 to 8 of that particular thing. Okay. So that was the question number 8. Now we come to question number 9. Now question number 9 is find the cubes of the following numbers. So you're just finding the cubes. So 1 over here is minus 13 is nothing but minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13. So one thing is clear that minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So hence it will be a negative number. We know that 13 is 169. So 169 into 13 is what is to be done. So 13, it will be 9 3 are 27, 18 19 20, 3 1 are 3 4 5 0 6 9 6 1. So 7 9 1 2. It's minus 1927. 2197. So the answer to the first one is minus 2197. Okay, let's see the second one. It is 3 1 upon 5, so it is nothing but 15 into plus 1, 16 upon 5. So you're going to say over here 16 into 16 into 16 upon 5 into 5 into 5. This we know is 5 for the 25 and 125. 16. Now 16 into 16 into 16 we are going to do it. So 16 into 16. 6 6 are 36. 6 1 is 6. 7 8 9. 0 6 1. So 6 5 2 into 16. So 6 6 are 36. 6 5 30. 33. 6 to the 12. 34 15. And then 0 6 5 2. That's 6 9 0 4. So it's 4096. Okay. You need to divide this also and make it into a mixed fraction. So that will be 4096 into 125. So we know 125 into 3 will be 375. So accordingly we will be having a 25 plus 9, 34, 346. So again we know that it is going to be 2 is a 250. So that makes it as 6 and then as 96. So you get it over here as 3296 upon 125. Okay. Now you can cancel further. No, you cannot, I think. Yeah, that's the answer. Let me check it out. So answer is 3296 upon 125. Okay, that's the answer over here. This is a rough work. We come to the last question of this exercise. So that's sum number 9 ka third. So it's minus 5 1 upon 7. That's minus 36 upon 7. So it's going to be minus 36 into minus 36 into minus 36 upon 7 into 7 into 7. This we know, 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7 is 343. Okay, so that's one part over here. Now we need 36 and 36 and 36. So it is 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 3 are 18. 19 20 21. 0 6 3 are 18. 9 3 9 and 10. So it will be 6 9 and then 2 and 1. So 1296 into 36 again. So 6 6 are 36. 6 9 are 54. 57. 12. And 5 is 17, 6, 7, 0, 6 3 are 18, 27, 28, 2, then 12, 6 plus 2, 8, and then 3. So it will be 6, 15, 16, 16, and 4. So it's 4, 6, 6, 5, 6 upon 343. Again, we need to divide this thing further. So when you divide this thing, of course minus sign will be here. Now we need to divide it. We get it as 343 here and 46656, right? Okay, this is the thing. So we first of all we are going to get it as just ones. It's 343. So it's 3, then 2 and 1. 5 comes down. So now it will be 3s are, so 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 3 are 9, 10. So 1029. This will be 602. Okay, and then 6 again. So 6 are approximately 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 2. And 6 3 is 18, 19, 20. So 2058. Yeah, that's nice. So that is 8. So the answer over here is equals to minus 1368 upon 343. That's the final answer. Okay. Mainly calculations, nothing else. Quite a simple thing. Okay, that was exercise 4.1 of cubes and cube roots. Okay.